I haven't bothered looking up, and I'm sure I could, but I haven't bothered, how many horsepower this thing kicks out. What I can tell you, it's got a lot more grunt than my other one. So when you're running it up and down heavy clay, it gives your arms and shoulders quite a good workout. So, you know, you don't actually want to be doing it too long. We might possibly stop for a cup of tea every now and then. And if we're going to beat Texas, well, you don't take a gun to a knife fight, do you? I don't really know what this is going to look like. Yeah, two-handed job, I think. But what I'm going to do now is extract some seed from this overgrown courgette. Oh, looks a bit like an autopsy really, doesn't it? Yeah, plenty of seed. So what we'll do, we'll scoop some seed out of this and see what we can grow. Well, this alien autopsy, complete with sound effects, has yielded a lot of seed. Last year I reckoned that I wanted 5 plants, and so I started 5, and I started them far too early. Now I knew I started them too early, but there was a lot of seed in the packet, so I started another 5 a couple of weeks later. And then my pal Francois gave me some plants, which is, for Francois, that's quite normal. And it meant that I ended up supplying courgettes, you know, to the very famous formation courgette eating team of Saint-Michel-en-Brenne, who were very grateful. But it does strike me that when you've got as much ground as I've got, it would be criminal not to grow something. And if that means I've got surplus to give away, well, that's good. That's good. Yeah, I think what I'm going to do with the rest of this is I'm just going to go and chuck it over the back of the garden, and who knows, some of these might even grow, some of the ones that I've left in there, because of course in nature that's pretty much how in nature they propagate. But yeah, that should give me rather more than 10 plants, shouldn't it?